Hi, I'm Mantak Chia. The Tao sexual nature is involved with sexuality, okay, and involved with the male and female. Lady, have one very powerful sexual organ is the clitoris, the clits. The clitoris in lady, um, they have many sensors, and this is the West discover also. The West they have one research they talk about the clitoris have many memory and sensor. So the sensor and memory, what do you use for? That means it's very sensitive. Okay. So in the Tao practice, the woman guitarist had at least can have three colors. When woman train about a red color, so we call the Fantian red, and you use the Fantian red in color, fire red color, cut down to the clitoris, and the clitoris change into red color. So red color giving energy, life force. Okay. And we have green color. You can change the clitoris into green color. Green color is the healing power. Okay. And white color is disinfection. So when lady make love, the loved one gets don't feel well, it's not said no energy. You can if you want more energy, usually we teach we call thumb. And actually in the Tao discovered that thumb connecting to the brain. So we call thumb drive. So you charge your thumb with the brain. Okay? And now you can charge green color from the heart. The pericardium in the heart is green. And the physical heart is red. Okay, green, red. And the solar plexus is gold color. There's gold color especially for men. And below the navel, red Antian fire, red fire. Okay? And in the perineum, the white color we call the white color is the immune system. So you chart. So that's why we call thumb drive can download information. So when you download this thing, for example, the woman make love and they think that the husband need more energy. So you use your thumb pointed to the vagina, pointed to the clitoris, and change the clit and the vagina into red color. So when you make love, you can feel that you have more red energy, and you can keep your loved one with more life force. Now, lady, when they white light, if you download the white light, okay, in the perineum, and we have another magic moon, and I think we're going to talk about now. We have the silver moon and golden moon. Golden moon and silver moon, we call the magic moon. The Tao native are so much involved with these two moons. One is golden moon, one is white gold moon that can use it. So white gold moon in a woman, when we activate the white gold moon, download to the thumb, you can charge. If you need white light, you charge the vagina with white light. You disinfection your vagina. Our whole practice is we call the Tao native practice. Men only have two colors. One is golden penis, and one is white gold penis. Golden penis can help increasing the golden aura. So when the man have a golden moon in the back part of the scalp, and you download the white gold and the moon, and put them into the penis, and you charge the white gold color into the penis, and you think your penis charging with gold color. So when you charge them with the gold color, the number one, gold color can help you take out all the negative thing or cursing, the curse. Curse now is called criticism. People say bad thing around you. This is the curse. Okay. So when you have golden color and golden aura, it's protecting you from the curse, for the criticism, for all the saying bad thing about you on the back. When you have no protection, it goes right into your body, attacking your organ. But when you have a golden aura around you from solar plexus, so it's a golden moon on the back and golden aura here, creating a golden aura. It can help protect you. They are very, very good practice, simple, effective, white magic Tao practice.
So we have a long extended healing love. You learn a lot of how to transform the sexual energy and the sexual magic in the white magic part. That's my expert, And using for healing yourself, strengthening yourself and your partner. Sexual magic is the most powerful energy we have is the sexual energy. So I invite you to this healing love course in December.